Welcome to our channel.
So today I'm going to show you how to use this spring to size down your ring. It is very transparent, very flexible, and very comfortable. So it's very easy. You start by rolling it around the shank of the ring, and you just keep rolling it as I'm doing, right? And then you keep checking it with your finger, like how much of the spring do you need.
You can roll it up
Or roll it down based on how much you need after you keep checking it with your finger. And once you are satisfied, you are going to take scissors and cut the extra spring wherever you want, and then you are done. You can keep using the ring, so you did not spend a fortune on sizing down a ring, and it's good to go, and it's transparent.